I didn't hear no bell. Let's go! Hey, what's up, Caesar? If we reach 850 memberships, Sires will dress up. I don't think so. Guys, I don't really have a problem with people enjoying themselves on Halloween, but I'm very careful as a Christian in terms of doing certain things on Halloween, you know? So I don't think dressing up is a problem, but on Halloween, I try to avoid things. That's just me personally. Oh, I got Yami exactly where I want him. Guys, I think Chakra is drunk already. I think Chakra is drunk. We could play some spooky games on Halloween though, if there's any events. Da 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 da. Okay, that doesn't really hurt me. I could hit him with a jump kick. Jump kicker! Wapax in your face. Wapax. Guys, did you ever get hit with the Wapax? Flip a coin. If heads, during your opponent's next turn, prevent all damage and effects of attacks done. Wait, so does that mean it can't get burnt as well? Oh, that's kind of crazy. That is kind of wild. Jaden, that's insane work. Okay. Saya's drunk, but still one with you. Yeah, guys, it's confirmed. Chakra is drunk. Oh, shoot. He got the heads.